In this video, we embark on a thrilling journey into the microscopic world of our bodies to uncover the secrets of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the energy currency of life. Buckle up as we unravel the mysteries of how our body creates and utilizes ATP, and explore why medical professionals should grasp the fundamentals of this powerhouse molecule. Imagine your body as a bustling city, with trillions of tiny workers tirelessly managing various tasks. To keep the city buzzing, a constant and reliable energy source is essential. Enter ATP, the superhero molecule that fuels every cellular activity in your body. In this video, we'll discover how ATP is made and why medical professionals need to be familiar with its workings. The ATP Factory cellular power plants. Just like a city has power plants generating electricity, your cells have mitochondria, the ATP factories. These tiny powerhouses perform a spectacular chemical ballet to produce ATP through a process called cellular respiration. Oxygen plays a crucial role in this dance, helping extract energy from nutrients like glucose. ATP synthesis, the marvelous molecular dance. Picture a choreographed dance routine where molecules gracefully exchange partners. In cellular respiration, glucose and oxygen team up to create a dazzling performance. Let's look very specifically at this process. Glycolysis. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell and doesn't require oxygen. In this stage, one molecule of glucose, a 6-carbon sugar, is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvate, a 3-carbon compound. Along the way, 2 molecules of ATP are produced, but it's important to note that 2 ATP molecules are initially invested in the process, so there is a net gain of 2 ATP molecules. Citric acid cycle, Krebs cycle. The pyruvate molecules produced in glycolysis enter the mitochondria. In the citric acid cycle, each pyruvate is further broken down, releasing carbon dioxide. This cycle doesn't directly produce ATP, but generates electron carriers NADH and FADH2 that carry high-energy electrons to the next stage. Oxidative phosphorylation. This stage takes place in the inner mitochondrial membrane and requires oxygen. Electron carriers, NADH and FADH2, produced in previous stages, donate electrons to the electron transport chain. As electrons move along the chain, energy is released and used to pump protons across the inner mitochondrial membrane. The flow of protons back into the mitochondrial matrix through ATP synthase drives the synthesis of ATP. This process is called chemiosmosis. The exact number of ATP molecules produced during oxidative phosphorylation is not fixed, as it depends on various factors, but a general estimate is around 28-34 ATP molecules per molecule of glucose. The variability is due to factors like the efficiency of the electron transport chain and the number of protons pumped. In summary, cellular respiration is the process through which glucose and oxygen are used to produce ATP in cells. The total yield of ATP from one molecule of glucose through glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation is approximately 32-36 ATP molecules, making it a highly efficient process for energy production in cells. The end result, ATP is synthesized, capturing and storing the released energy for future use. ATP in action, the cellular marvel show. Now that we have our superhero ATP, let's see it in action. Imagine your muscles contracting during a sprint, or your brain firing up during a crucial exam. These activities are fueled by the rapid breakdown of ATP, releasing energy like fireworks lighting up the sky. Medical professionals operate in high-stakes environments where split-second decisions can make the difference between life and death. Let's take a closer look at how this affects the body. The human body is a complex machine with various organs and tissues performing diverse functions. As a result, different parts of the body have varying energy demands, and the usage of ATP can vary depending on the activity and metabolic requirements of each tissue. However, one organ stands out as a major consumer of ATP: the mighty and tirelessly beating heart. The heart is a muscular organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the entire body, supplying oxygen and nutrients to other organs and tissues. This constant and rhythmic contraction, known as the cardiac cycle, requires a substantial amount of energy. The heart muscle, or myocardium, is highly vascularized and rich in mitochondria, the cellular powerhouses responsible for ATP production, to meet this energy demand. During periods of rest, the heart still requires a significant baseline amount of energy to maintain essential functions such as maintaining membrane potentials, supporting ion gradients, and ensuring cellular integrity. When the body engages in physical activity, stress, or encounters various challenges, the heart's energy demands increase even further. In summary, while different tissues and organs have varying energy requirements based on their functions, the heart stands out as one of the most ATP-hungry organs in the human body due to its continuous and vital pumping action. Understanding the energy needs of the heart is crucial for appreciating the significance of ATP in maintaining cardiovascular health and overall bodily function. Why should medical professionals care? In the world of EMS, where every second counts, knowing the ins and outs of ATP is like having a superhero's handbook. From administering life-saving drugs to performing CPR, medical professionals navigate situations where ATP is the silent hero, ensuring that cells function optimally. In conclusion, the story of ATP is a tale of energy, resilience, and microscopic heroics. As medical professionals stand at the front line of saving lives, understanding the fundamentals of ATP provides them with an unparalleled advantage. So next time you're in the midst of a high-energy emergency, remember the tiny superhero ATP silently powering the body's incredible feats. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.